This month was just really short. I mean, since it's February, I know, right? But nevertheless, a lot has happened in my life. I traveled a bit around Scotland again, had some uni and non-uni work to do, but moreover, I had a lot of expenses this month because I caused a bit of damage to our flat, and on top of that, I didn't really have a proper income this month. I never really talked about the financial aspect as a student, but this month I decided that I will share a realization I had. I don't pay tuition fees, but my life is being covered by my parents, and I find it really hard accepting money from them. And I would just love to be already living off of my own work and just be self-dependent, but as we know, that's easier said than done. Over one Skype I had with my father during this month, I finally understood a tale I used to like as a kid. The tale of 3 coins. I won't tell the whole tale because it's just a very long story, but the core moment is when the king is passing by a worker who's just doing his thing in the street. Out of curiosity, the king asks, "What's your daily wage?" The worker says, 3 coins. The king doesn't understand how can he live off of that, to which the worker just smirks and explains that at home he is feeding his father who is old and sick, and that costs him 1 coin. The second coin he uses to feed and invest into his son, and the third is for his own needs. This way, he repays his past, lives in the present, but thinks about the future. As my father told me, I'm still in the first stage. I'm still the son. I can't just expect to jump into the second stage right away. My time will come, and now I should make the most out of the 1 coin he is giving me, so that one day I can give even more to my son. That's all from me, guys. I hope you liked this vlog. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and see you in the next vlog, guys. Bye bye!